3 months ago, I couldn't do a single proper push-up. Today, I just completed 50 in a row, lost 32 pounds, and completely transformed my body without stepping foot in a gym or spending a single dollar on equipment. And the crazy part is I only use these 8 bodyweight exercises that I'm about to show you. If you've been thinking you need expensive gym memberships or fancy equipment to get in shape, this video is going to change everything for you. Stick around because exercise number 6 is the one that gave me the fastest visible results. What's up everyone? If you're new here, I'm Alex, and on this channel, we break down fitness in a way that actually works for real people with real lives. Today, we're diving into the 8 most powerful bodyweight exercises that will transform your entire physique. These aren't just random movements, each one targets multiple muscle groups, torches calories, and builds functional strength you can use in everyday life. So smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into it. Exercise 1. The push-up. Let's start with the king of upper body exercises, the push-up. Now, before you roll your eyes thinking you already know this one, hear me out. Most people are doing push-ups completely wrong, leaving massive gains on the table. The push-up targets your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core all at once. It's a complete upper body builder. Here's how to do it properly. Hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Body in a straight line from head to heels. Lower yourself until your chest nearly touches the ground, and push back up explosively. The game-changer variation. Once you master regular push-ups, try diamond push-ups for triceps, wide push-ups for chest, or decline push-ups for upper chest development. I went from barely doing 10 push-ups to hitting 50 straight by following a simple progression plan. Pro tip: if you can't do a full push-up yet, start with wall push-ups. Then progress to incline push-ups on a bench, and finally move to the floor. There's no shame in modifying, everyone starts somewhere. Exercise 2. The bodyweight squat. Your legs contain the largest muscles in your body, and the squat is how you unlock them. This exercise doesn't just build powerful legs, it also skyrockets your metabolism because you're working so much muscle mass at once. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly pointed out. Push your hips back like you're sitting in a chair. Keep your chest up and lower until your thighs are at least parallel to the ground. Drive through your heels to stand back up. The beauty of squats. They strengthen your knees, improve mobility, and build functional strength for everyday activities like climbing stairs or picking things up. I personally do 100 bodyweight squats every morning, and my leg definition has never been better. Progression tip: add jump squats for explosive power. Try pistol squats for advanced strength, or simply increase your reps. Your legs can handle way more volume than you think. Exercise 3. The plank, if you want a rock-solid core and better posture. The plank is non-negotiable. This isometric exercise works your entire core bees, obliques, and lower back while also engaging your shoulders and glutes. Get into a push-up position, but rest on your forearms instead of your hands. Keep your body in a straight line, squeeze your glutes, and brace your core like someone's about to punch you in the stomach. Hold this position. Start with 30-second holds and work your way up to 2 minutes. I went from 45 seconds to 3 minutes in just 6 weeks, and the difference in my core strength and back pain was incredible. Variations to try: side planks for obliques, plank shoulder taps for stability, or plank 2 push-up for dynamic core work. Exercise 4. The pull-up chin-up. Here's where things get serious. Pull-ups are the ultimate back and bicep builder. Yes, you need a pull-up bar, but you can grab one for under $20 or use a playground nearby. Hang from the bar with an overhand grip slightly wider than shoulders. Pull yourself up until your chin clears the bar, then lower with control. Chin-ups with palms facing you, hit your biceps harder. Can't do a pull-up yet? No problem. Start with dead hangs to build grip strength. Then progress to negative pull-ups where you jump up and slowly lower yourself down. I couldn't do a single pull-up when I started. Now, I can bang out 15. The back development alone is worth the effort. Why this matters? Pull-ups give you that V-taper physique and strengthen your entire posterior chain. They're tough, but that's exactly why they work so well. Exercise 5. The burpee. Love them or hate them, burpees are a full-body fat-burning machine. They combine a squat, push-up, and jump into one explosive movement that torches calories like crazy. Start standing, drop into a squat, kick your feet back into a push-up position, do a push-up, jump your feet back to your hands, and explode upward into a jump. That's 1 rep. Burpees spike your heart rate instantly, build endurance, and work practically every muscle group. I added just 5 minutes of burpees to my routine 3 times a week, and my conditioning improved dramatically. They're brutal but effective. Pro tip: focus on form over speed at first. Sloppy burpees lead to injury, not results. Exercise 6. The dip. This is the exercise I promised youth, the one that gave me the fastest visible results. Dips are incredible for building chest, triceps, and shoulders. You can do them on parallel bars, sturdy chairs, or even the edge of a bench. Grip the bars with arms straight, lean slightly forward for chest emphasis. Lower yourself until your elbows reach 90 degrees, then press back up powerfully. Within 3 weeks of adding dips to my routine, people started noticing my arms and chest looked bigger. The tricep development alone is worth it. They give you that horseshoe shape that screams strength. Beginner modification. Use a bench for bench dips with feet on the ground, then progress to elevated feet and finally move to parallel bar dips. Exercise 7. The lunges are phenomenal for building leg strength, improving balance, and fixing muscle imbalances between your left and right sides. They're also incredible for sculpting your glutes and quads. Step forward with one leg and lower your hips until both knees are bent at 90 degrees. Push through your front heel to return to standing, then repeat on the other side. I do walking lunges for 50 steps every leg day, and the burn is real. They've improved my running performance and given me better knee stability. Variations: try reverse lunges for less knee stress, jumping lunges for power, or lateral lunges to target different muscle groups. Exercise 8. Mountain climbers. Last but definitely not least, mountain climbers. This exercise is cardio and core work rolled into one efficient movement. Start in a push-up position and drive your knees toward your chest one at a time in a running motion while keeping your core tight and hips level. Mountain climbers crank up your metabolism, shred belly fat, and build shoulder stability. I use them as a finisher after every workout. 30 seconds of all-out mountain climbers, and you'll be gasping for air in the best way possible. Here's how to put these together. Do 3 to 4 sets of each exercise 3 times per week. For exercises like push-ups, squats, and lunges, aim for 12 to 20 reps. 4 planks, hold for 30 to 60 seconds. 4 pull-ups and dips, do as many quality reps as you can. Rest 60 to 90 seconds between sets. The whole workout takes about 45 minutes, and you can do it anywhere at home, in a park, in a hotel room. No excuses. Consistency beats intensity. Show up 3 times a week, progressively make the exercises harder, and watch your body transform. There you have it, 8 bodyweight exercises that will change your entire body without any equipment or gym membership needed. I've personally used these exact movements to transform myself, and I've seen hundreds of people get incredible results with this approach. If you found this helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Drop a comment below telling me which exercise you're most excited to try. And if you want more no BS fitness content that actually works, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Remember, the best workout is the one you actually do. So pick one exercise from this list and start today. Your future self will thank you. I'll see you in the next one. Now get out there and get to work.